Okay, I should probably turn on... I forgot to turn on the music. Hang on. Well, I turned on the music, but I didn't turn on desktop audio. Oops. uh... I can also make a command for the Game Jolt later. But yeah, we also post about the card game on Game Jolt. What did I want to... do? Oh, right. Okay, am I audible? I should probably also add it to the title then. Yeah, that should be better now. I've been kinda unprepared today because I've been tired the last few days. I don't know why. But yeah, I think we can get started. Sorry. My throat is kinda killing me right now. But yeah, we can get started basically immediately. We are just going to continue where we left off last time. We made some changes. The battle cards, the cards from battle were actually kind of the inspiration of how I got here. But also the art is actually made by a friend of mine who might be in chat already, I'm not sure. They'll probably appear in chat soon. I'll let them know anyway that the stream is... but yeah, they made most of the art actually. The frames again are based on battle as well as the card font and stuff like that. Let's get started already by what we have been doing last time basically is updating the deck editor, or rather starting to work on the deck editor so you can actually build a deck with the cards we are making, because you want to play with them. And... yes. As you can see, we already have a bunch of cards. Don't ask about the Penguinator. It's just there. With the most important card, of course, being Super, who also has borderless art, so he's not restricted to the window like most of the cards are. Although some of the cards already break the boundaries a bit. Okay. But yeah, over the last few days I have updated the card. The card to actually be a control node instead of a node 2D, which for UI is simply better to use. So this is simply easier to use for the UI later on. I mean, you probably could theoretically print them. I don't know how well that would work, but I don't see why you shouldn't be able to. I was anyway thinking of streamlining the process of making images of the cards so I can easier show them off. And yeah, we already have a bunch of cards, like, as you can see. We don't have effects for the cards yet, because that needs a bit more work. And I first want to get the basic combat streamlined and stuff. And before I do that, I first want to have a deck editor so I can easier edit decks. Duh. So yeah, we already last time basically made this card list of every card that currently exists in the game. Which at the moment there are theoretically 150 cards planned, although a lot of them haven't been made yet, as you can see. So yeah, that's the basic plan. Also you can see we made some cards off stream. I figured it wouldn't be that interesting to make new cards on stream, since at the moment it's basically the same process as I have already shown off multiple times. So I do those off stream so I can do more new stuff. A lot of bug card actually. Motorbug, Bus Bomber, Caterkiller. Roller might be based on a bug, I'm not sure. That's not a bug. That's the ultimate life form. Oh, I also streamlined the process of actually... I streamlined... I should maybe give it an ID that actually shows it off. I actually streamlined how big the gap between each letter is. For example, before the O and the B would have been squished near the M, but now everything has the same distance. Was a bit of a pain since texture fonts are buggy, but it worked better than I expected, so good job. Okay, but yeah, that's basically it. I need to remember to turn off the camera. Let me think for a sec. Okay, yeah. What we should do next is probably... I might actually add a window here so you can see the card you currently have selected, kinda like Master Duel does. Which I need to figure out how I did this. The child node. Panel container. Which we call card preview. Which will have... I'm thinking. We should probably add a vertical box container, which should be here something. What that does is basically we can first add the card, instance child scene library card, which I would scale that card to be 2x2. That's not how you scale something. There. I mean, I was thinking about Wisp cards at some point. Fuck. Fuck. I know what I did wrong. The card preview should maybe also expand. Yeah, that helps. I mean, shouldn't be impossible. There are a bunch of bad necks that look like bugs. And you can add item cards. How do I center you? Funnily enough, we don't actually have a card for Froggy. Like at the moment we have planned 150 cards going up to the adventure era, but funnily enough we don't have a card for Froggy. It was kinda implied that Froggy is with big on his card. Why are you not centered, actually? Froggy. I'm very confused. Which, to be fair, I probably do things not the intended way. But has this ever stopped me? You know what? I don't mind it. Yeah, that looks good. I shrink the list, so less cards are actually shown, but this looks fine. I think this is fine. Except it doesn't remember how much it's getting. Okay, what now? Spaghetti sounds good. I think Albert is kinda... no, not a VBox container, but a control node. A label which takes the card name? Okay. That. Huh. Okay, card preview. I still haven't set up the template. That's on me. You know the rules by now. Wrong one. There. Yeah, I'm fixing it in a sec. Okay. What did I tell the library actually? So far nothing. Tap. Okay. Well, hello there, how's it going? I mean... Oh, sorry. The mic is a bit close to my... Okay. I'm a bit... I'm a bit tired, but otherwise I'm doing alright. A bit nervous because of my exam, like retakes, language retake exams. But I can do it. I'm sure. Okay. What do I need? I need a library card. Ready. I don't call already variable normally. Actually, I call it preview card. I should maybe call it a variable, yeah. I will... not you. You. rename you to preview card. Equals node pre. I can have the card of the preview card. Variable card. Dot get child dot I'm actually curious, can I do this? Probably not. I'm probably just doing something really, really stupid, but... yeah, you know what? I'll do it later. Again, I'm tired, but otherwise I'm doing good. I hope everyone else is also doing good, obviously. Card dot card name. I think I can check. Card name, yeah. Actually, I can just copy most of these. With exception of the... with exception of the ID, because the ID will... Actually, I do need the ID, but it won't be a... Card frame equals card dot card dot I feel like I'm doing something weird, but it's fine. Oh, right. Capitalization is important, people. I feel like I'm doing something weird here, but actually I don't need a variable for current time. Got that. So what have I done? No. As you know, we have, if we look in the editor, we here have a card with like a card to show which card we have currently selected. Unrelated to that, I have decided to give the card preview class, script, the information of the card that is currently attached to the preview card, since the preview card technically isn't a card itself, but a library card, which is basically just a fancy version of a card. I get the feeling the answers as often as he wants to. Okay, okay. Let me think. Oh my god, you're right. You're actually right. Big oof. I have no clue why I just did that, or any of this. Actually, I know why. Already. First of all, I'm doing something dangerous, so I'm adding a font. And we all know how well that went in the past. Actually, not new texture font, load. Fonts. Card text font. You should expand. You know what? Maybe you shouldn't expand. But you should probably you know what? Fine by me. Yeah. First of all, already name the text card name. You know, I probably don't need all of those variables now that I think about it. I can probably take them out of the card. Well, I'm dumb. But what else is new? And of course it doesn't save the scale, because that would be the easy thing to do. What is wrong with scale in this? I genuinely don't understand it. I'm curious. Okay. So, in theory... So, the problem is this HBox container. Or this container, or which container exactly? We have a lot of containers here. Yeah. And how do we fix this? How do I refer to this thing? Self. Yeah, I'm more used to Java. My bad. Right. Do I? I'm not sure how I do this. Oh, I just realized. I think rect scale dot two. I'm not sure if it actually works, I'm just curious. Because it might work, because coding is weird. No. You are correct indeed. That is a thing you can do. No, not that. Rect scale times 2. Still doesn't work, but it was worth a try, you know. That's annoying. Because I clearly can't take them out of the container, can I? That... So what exactly am I supposed to do now? Because I have no idea how... You know what, we ignore that for now, and for now focus on actually updating the card in the preview. We'll fix later how the preview actually works. Mainly because I don't want to bother right now. Yes, but I first wanted to try if I can find a solution. Because I'm stubborn like that. Okay. Another label. For the effect, which at the moment isn't much, but that's besides the point. Do we actually have a variable for that in card already? Nope. Elements that keep going. Several scenes. We know what happens when we select fonts. Yeah, I would like to separate those two. I would be a fan of if that wasn't immediately attached to the bottom of the name. Nope. Theme overrides. Yeah, that works. No, not as a child note, but... theme overrides. We can also later make an own separator for that. Yeah, that's good. Uh, uh, to get a better feeling of how long effects are going to be. Huh. That's better. Well, not really, but... Why do I even care? Too late. So there's a slight issue. As you can see. Let me check the font real quick. Nope. That doesn't do anything. Also doesn't do anything. Nope. Okay, that's better. Also, no card decks is going to be that long, but... Okay. Now we have Lorem Ipsum. This is weird. Very weird. I don't like it. Fine. I think that should be 2, if anything. Okay. If we run that at the moment, you see what my issue with the scaling is. You can't really read that. We'll need to figure something out about that. Also, we might want a horizontal box container for this actually. For 2 things. For the name. Add child. Not a box container, but rather a label. for the ID. Which... Can I make it so it aligns to the right? UI in Godot is weird. Can of course add another separator, this time vertical separator. Which is probably not the intended way to do any of this, but actually no, that's not going to work. I hate this. Let me see. Okay, now we got it. That makes more sense. Alright. Okay. This is getting confusing. But I start to understand how this works, even if it takes a while still. Box container, box container ID. Okay. ID. So now in theory, this card automatically updates the ID and the name of the card. Nothing too special, but I'm still upset that this doesn't scale, but I don't know how I can do that. For now I'll just build the UI and figure it out along the way. Just out of curiosity. Why did that just remove everything? Oh, that explains a lot. I'm just experimenting at the moment, trying to learn how this stuff works, really. Because while Godot is really good at UI, it's also really confusing for a beginner. Next we have okay. That's power. I need another HBox container. Child, label, health. Ready variable power health. Let's see. Text. Yes. String card dot max power, and the same for health. Health, health. Okay. So in theory, font. I need to update it. Right, capitalization isn't a thing. Also. So I need to go back into the script, update that. Take that. Okay. Shut up. You are probably right, but now it's too late. Now I'm committed. I'm going to update the font, so shut up. And another font. Another font. Huh. So this doesn't look particularly amazing, but rep stream elements or whoever really. Now we need to figure out how we actually make that work. Basically the idea is if you click on a card over there in the filters, it gets a signal which tells it which card it should be instead. I think that works that way. So if you So basically, if you just click on a card, it sends a signal from the library to the card preview, so the card preview knows which card it should display now. How do I do that? Probably in the script of the library. Luckily, changing how a card looks is relatively easy, since we only need to send the ID. So we have a signal, which we call card I have no clue if that works. How I... Let me actually... I think I never actually looked at... You can look at it. What? How do I use a signal again? Signals are those weird things that you... Okay. from here, probably. Data. Oh. Does it? But how does that exactly work then? Is this for drag and drop? Because at the moment I don't actually want drag and drop. I just want if you click on the card. Which, to be fair, probably has an equivalent then. Oh. Probably. Maybe. If I find it. Where are signals in documentation? Ah, there. Okay, signal... Go input here. Yeah. That might be a good idea. So, where do I put that? Process? Question mark? Right, that's a thing. Signals are a bit weird, so... Basically, signals allow you to connect one node with another via a signal and I think give data. They are a unique thing to Godot, so that's why I'm not used to them, because I only really use them for stuff like state machines, where I usually get help from Sylic, because I'm not a big fan of... I understand how state machines work, I'm just not a big fan of how Godot handles them necessarily. Especially since, again, it requires a lot of knowledge of signals, which I don't have yet. Library, add connect signal, where is that actually? Node. No. Control, go input. Connect to itself. Yes, but... What exactly is the purpose of this? Well, when I click the card preview should change the card which it currently showcases to the card. Now you're confusing me. one thing at a time. The problem is we don't have a physical manifestation of that card in the scene tree. So I need to do that in code. Dot connect GUI input and I can't find that card. Because it's not called preview card, it's called card preview. Actually, I do actually want. I hate pathing. Okay. We do actually want that kinda there, I think. But the thing is, then I would need to add a script to the preview card as well. Let's keep it like this for now. Can update it later if that doesn't work. Like this. On card clicked. You told me I should add the. Okay. Now card preview has a function, I think. Public function or shut up. You know what I mean. Congratulations, you acquired food. We are working on. I can actually show you. Ignore the error message, I'll fix it later. Currently we are working on that. If you fine. Currently I'm working on that. If you click on a card here, which currently does nothing, that if you click on one of those cards, it sends a signal to the to the preview here and updates the data on that preview. Not necessarily flavor text, although I can do flavor text as well. Mainly just so you know what the card is. Master Duel actually has something similar in the deck builder where you can look at a card that you selected on the side. Ideally, I would scale the card, like the preview card, in a way that A, the text is actually readable. Might be readable in full screen, but not really. And also that the card is just bigger. But Godot scaling is weird. UI scaling is weird. Oh, also we made some new cards. Well, Smasher did. I mainly just did the JSON files. Yeah. Don't question why the Penguinator is down there. But yeah, at the moment clicking on this does nothing, but ideally once I set this up it will change the card here and update all the data. Which... this is what I wanted to make a function for right now, but I got interrupted. So yeah, the function is now called on card click, I think, maybe. Oh no, right. Yeah, like this. Screw you! Godot, what the heck? How do I provide the ID for the on card clicked function? Actually, I'm not good with signals are a unique thing of Godot, so I'm not as used to using signals outside of ones already provided to me. So I'm a bit confused. Like usually I use signals from state machines. Silic mostly develops since he's pretty good at state machines. Beyond that I don't have much experience with signals. Which is a problem because currently we need a signal. Add an array. How exactly do I add those then? You are a bot. So just okay. Yeah. Relatable. Where do I need to do this then? Question mark? God. How do I do that best? Do I just replace the card with a new card? And more importantly, how do I do that? Hmm? Fine. Card dot. Card dot. I'm scared to open the debugger. We are going to ignore that. How do I actually do that? I could. Yeah, why not? Oh god, dude. How do I load the card now? I'm still chronically stupid. Man. You know what? Since I'm anyway just going to... Oh, right, that was extract. That's what extracting means. I swear I know how programming works. So I know how to code. I mean, you told me it should be 0, but what should it then be? 1 point, okay. 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 It doesn't work, so you don't need to hate it. And oh, does it work? See, I can code, I just can't read. That's a difference. Oh, fine. Wrong thing. You know what? Let me check something really quick. I want to know if it works without. Yeah, that's from Fallen Stars. It very successfully doesn't work. I can see them actually. Oh. Yeah, I should maybe. Yeah, besides those arrows we are used to by now. Don't mind them. We have those arrows, which do something. Also 1, 2, 3, Omega, anyone? So input event. I should maybe capitalize it a bit smarter. Fine. Almost. I have good and bad news. The good news is we don't get any error messages. The bad news is we don't get any error messages. I have no clue what exactly is going. That's not what I expected. I mean, we're getting closer. Obviously, the text isn't updated, but that's besides the point. I just haven't done yet. Huh. Fascinating. I have no idea. I can check. Mouse. I didn't even know that was a thing yet. The actual card is sending the signal, I think. I'm not sure, honestly. I need to check. But that might be the issue. No. It's a library card, not a card. That would be the case, but... Huh. Can do. I mean, I don't mind it updating when I hover over it. It's just not quite intended. I'm honestly more fascinated by the fact that the unfinished cards, that they don't send the signal. Just kind of fascinating to me, because technically nothing is different for them that would actually influence that. Huh. But it should. But that's anyway besides the point. I'm gonna extract it into a method really quick. Just hang on. Nothing to do with what we're currently trying to achieve, just... Okay. It should update the card text, I'm confused. No, it shouldn't. Yet. Focus entered? I might. Let me check that real quick. Focus and... Okay. Let me try that. One sec. We then also don't need the input event anymore, right? Sorry. I'm doing a lot of things at once. On card loaded, on card clicked is now going to be focus entered, right? But that doesn't work. And it doesn't even give me an error message. So... clearly not it. I go back to GUI input just so I can test the other thing I did. Really quick. Not a lot of the text is updating, mainly because I understand what you mean, yeah. But that should be fixable. Yeah, exactly. Focus. Entered. Kinda sucks, but I might be able to do that in bulk. Ignore. I have no idea yet. It doesn't matter a lot anyway, since Godot is really flexible. So I can put it on basically anything without too much extra effort. So yeah, on a technical level, we could probably put it on any... That didn't work. I might change it to pass instead. But the thing is, I kind of later want those to actually have an effect when they are hovered. Wrong C. Let's think about that later. For now... It doesn't react at all, which it kind of sucks. Okay, at the moment, GUI event was the best. So far, we can all agree. Sorry. Sorry. I probably can. Let me try that. Print debug. Fine. Mouse motion. A lot of mouse motions, in fact. When I click mouse button, I'm gonna clear that. Well, good morning. You didn't miss too much, I would say. So basically we have set up a little bit of where's the name capitalized? I mean, I can change that easily. So yeah. In theory, when you hover over a card, it now shows the card over there, including effect and stuff. I should probably check if the item, if it's an item. Which actually I'll do in code for the card, actually. That's a very good point. If event equals input what was it? Mouse button. I'm dumb. Well, we only wanted if we... Oh, yeah, fair. Sorry, this syntax is weird. Yeah, the cards. The cards are really, really good, and we are making good progress in getting more and more cards. Now it should only change if I... Hooray! Success! We actually did it. Now if you click on a card... Okay, next thing. If you notice, if I click on a item card, it keeps the power and health. You probably can't read it because it's so tiny. But it keeps the power and health of the last non-item card I clicked on. To change that, I'll define in the card script what an item is. Because it's basically determined by the frame, but I might add more frames for other item cards in case we do something like custom frames for certain factions, which we totally haven't been working on already. So yeah.
Does anyone but you believe your lies?
Because of that, I'll actually make one boolean value in card that we can just check if something is an item.
Oh no.
Shouldn't be too...
Does anyone but you believe your lies? No, you!
Which we'll later update. Oh, right.
No, you!
Is what the heck? What the heck? You know what?
Oh no!
How do I do that exactly? I'm clearly too dumb for this. If not... I don't know why, I don't want to know why. This streamlines this a bit though. Being able to just use item for that. Sorry, this just reminded me of something dumb. Don't mind me. You're very welcome to say I am the dumb thing that it reminded me of. You know, Twitch has something really cool called emotes. Speaking of, I really need to set up my affiliate stuff. Kinda difficult right now because stuff is kinda busy. Okay. So in theory, if I click on such a card, it shows the power, no power, or health. Good job. We did it. It still reacts to me scrolling away from the card. Because the scroll wheel is technically a button, I guess. What the... I can. Probably. So now it crashes. It crashes. Can we save? Let me actually check. I can probably... one. Button index 1. Fine. Fine. Let's try this again. It works! Success! We actually did it. So now that we achieved that, next goal. Because I would call that finished for now. It's technically not finished, but it's good enough. We should probably next... Let me think. I mean, we might take a quick break simply because it's almost been 2 hours already and we have actually done something for once. We actually achieved things. Content! I'll be back real quick. Don't worry. But again, I would just take a real quick break to think about what we do next, and maybe get a sip of something to drink. So yeah, we'll be back in just a second. Okay, we're back. I think. uh, am I audible? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I agree, somebody woke up. Someone woke up and chose violence. I'll show you in a sec. Let me first set this up. Oh gosh. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Look. Look what I have done this time. Oh gosh. Why? Amogus. You what? I mean, have a great rest of you. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your ice cream in whatever form you preferred. It's molten ice cream, a soup. Don't blame me, it wasn't my idea. Blame the one who does the art here. I blame whoever. Tiramisu is actually pretty good. We actually had tiramisu while we were on vacation. Jokes aside, what we have decided we'll do now, what I have decided I'll do now. I expected as much. Honestly, I'm not surprised from hearing anyone suggesting that by now. I'm not happy. Nobody asked me if I'm happy. Be frightened, stand up to all the pain and turmoil. Just believe in myself, won't rely on others. We'll be waiting when serenity is restored. This is my plan. Yeah, I wanted to do the deck now. The actual deck. Yeah, how do we do this? I think we need another signal, this time really drag and drop, from the card list. Drag and drop. Yeah, it's not a signal. You get what I mean. Alright. We need drag and drop to... and this is where the first question comes in. How many cards should be in one deck, and how many of one card should you be allowed? At least one non-hero card. I think Divide is losing it. Okay. First of all, we can remove that card. Okay. Oh, but to be fair, I feel like they do that Youth Word of the Year thing just so they can laugh about the stupid words people come up with. Okay. What a weird comment section. I should probably translate it for... Nah, I'm... Kinda cringe. Nah, I can't sell it. cancel the joke. Anyways, where was I? Deck list. Attach script. I need to set it up as a template. Remind me next time. Nobody's going to remind me. But it's fine. Bless you. You know, I'm amazed in all the breaks I've taken where I left the room or whatever. I'm amazed Silik hasn't tried to take over the stream yet. So, let me think. You know, I'll never understand how certain words become suddenly popular. Yeah. Especially, how does a word like bodenlos become... Who says that? I'm well, technically, bodenlos means without ground, if you translate it literally, but yeah, how does such a word become popular? Context is for the weak. Actually, I say that as if we didn't have, like, actually, you might as well. Okay, what did I want to do with this? Why did I make this script? Where am I? How did I get here? Tricks aside, we wanted to... Okay, one thing at a time. First of all, we should probably copy this code from... actually not. What we should add is copy is these variables, because we'll need them. Maria. Also feel free to rate all my impressions. They're probably horrible, but content is content. I can't do Sonic. I don't know why.
Oh no.
It's one of those voices I never really tried, to be honest. I don't know why. But I could... The thing is, I can't even imagine how I would... I said rate my impressions, not give me impressions. The thing is, those impressions don't come to me. Like, I can't do it on command. That's a weird thing. I have words that I see that I just instinctive. Actually, I can do a Sonic impression, thanks to a certain Roger Craig Smith. Big oof. that one scene. I can't talk about that scene. And oh no. I haven't watched Game Grumps in a while. Now that I think about it. Back to where I was. But yeah, I weirdly can't do impressions on this spontaneous like that. They're just words that I instinctively say in that impression because I associated so much with that impression. Like, I can basically not say the name Maria without doing a shadow impression. Because it's frankly funny. I'm not going to go on the whole rant about Game Grumps now, but in short, I also think I prefer Dan, simply because he's ironically more chill. The thing is, I think Aaron is quick to blame the game for things when he gets frustrated, and I can understand if you get frustrated with a game. I get frustrated with games a lot, but it's not always the most healthy to blame it on a game, also the most useful, because not always does the blaming the game actually help you succeed, and sometimes the game actually does suck, and as a game designer you learn when a game is good and when not. It is his character. It just... I don't know, it's not quite as much for me, and I especially also see how that can lead to people taking his opinion too serious. Which I don't think should be blamed on him entirely either, but... deck size. The things I don't want to say, like a lot of Sonic fans say, oh, Aaron is the whole reason that everyone hates Sonic now. I don't think that's the case. But I do think it can fuel people who already are very aggressive about it to be more vocal about it. Like, I don't think it's his fault per se, I just think it doesn't help the situation necessarily. And again, at the end of the day, it's content. Obviously, it's a role, he probably plays it up. But it just can be frustrating to watch sometimes. But it can also be very fun, which is why I like watching Game Grumps, or like when I did. Which is honestly an entire different discussion that I'm too tired to have right now, but in short, it's fascinating to me how such coincidental things, more or less, like things that don't really relate to it, like, how do I say that? How certain things that only... No, I don't know how to explain my thought right now. I'll come back to that at another point in time. The short part is, I find it fascinating how content creators can influence the perception on certain things. Which also can lead to stuff like, I mean, sponsorships, for example. Also, to a certain degree, use that content creators have wide reach to influence their opinion on something. It isn't always effective, but you get the idea. It's a very fascinating topic to me. I wouldn't necessarily say it's good or bad, but it can be used for good or bad. Humans are fascinating. Where was I? Okay. Exactly. And I think that's I was thinking about stuff, but I don't know, I prefer game design. I really would like to study more, but on the one hand I find studying kind of frustrating. And on the other hand, time. I do wish I had a lifetime, you know, just to study. But there are so many other things I also want to do. Which is another interesting topic, but TikTok, I wanted to do this a while ago. Time won't wait, and I've got so much to do. Yeah. How did I set up the card list? Nah. Card list here. Card list resize, not card. For now, I'll also add the this as export variable, which is how many cards, like how many copies of a card you can have. Which I'll set it to 3 for now. We'll change it probably later. So Yeah. Resize to deck. So now we should probably make a drag and drop method in like do this drag and drop stuff in library, which isn't a signal, so I might as well do it in a library card. I don't know actually. I mean, that's why we have library card, right? To use it in the library. It's kind of frustrating that I need to attach an entire script now. But oh well. You know, the usual. I think I start to understand what that actually means, that TS. It's just a tab. Which in hindsight I should have figured. You know, it would help to actually... Oh well. Okay, should probably add those tabs then. Okay. Library card. We basically only need a public function called how do we call that actually? Self dot. What do we actually have for control dots again? What was it? What was it? Get drag data. How do I do this? I have no clue how drag and drop works, but force drag. I do like the OST of I do like the Fallen Star soundtrack. Again, it's a shame that there are some things I don't like about the game, because the game is really, really good. How do I do this best? I'm probably just blind, but is there I wanted to update that, but I forgot with what. At this point I should just remove the question of the day. I suck at actually updating it. Wait, is that updated? I could swear we had that yesterday already. I swear I had asked that at some point. You missed me wondering a lot about what I'm actually doing. I still don't know what I'm actually doing, by the way. I'm doing a good job at not having a clue what I'm actually doing. No, but I have an idea of what I want to do, I just don't... I'm not sure about the pieces I need. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So... Can I actually update it here somewhere? Probably not. That would... What are the hints actually for? I've never used them. And I feel like I should, but I never used it. Huh. Useful, I guess. Um, so how do we handle this best? First of all, we want... The thing is, I don't understand how the system works. How do I enable that I drag and drop? Just, you're very helpful. You're still very helpful. Not the show. For the better or the worse. How do I change the return value of a method? Yeah, we are inheriting that method. We can actually override it. It's a thing we can do. Defeated programmer leaves. Okay. But I get what he means. Well, I don't know how I actually override anything in Godot, but that's an issue for... No, seriously, I don't know how to override anything. Fuck. Oh. Nope, I don't know. Sorry. I wanted to mute, but I was too slow. Okay. No, not yet. I have a mission. Which apparently is just totally breaking you. No, seriously, how do I overwrite stuff though? Do I just write the... do I just write... I mean... Wasn't there an annotation you needed in Java? I might be completely wrong and misremembering stuff. Today I learned that I have added annotations to half my methods for nothing. And what exactly does it return? I can check myself, don't worry. What do I want to give the receiver? That's a good question. Okay. So it just returns what I want to... the ID then. In this case. Already card. So I'm doing this wrong probably, but so this works. Oh, an array. I see. Sorry, I missed it. In between frames messages. Yeah, array makes sense. Why would I want to add a string to that? Like, what is the string exactly? Like that card string. What exactly is this supposed to mean? Is it just a string saying card, or...? You said that before, and I still don't understand what exactly you mean with that. Like this? Why should I name it card then? I think I get what you mean, yeah. Okay. So now we have a drag and drop function that maybe works. Yes. But I know we don't have a receiver yet. I don't know how I do that. So do I just make another function? Like override? Oh, now I understand. I start to do the brain thing. Can drop. What should I enter as data? Okay. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do now is do I ever do anything with the position, by the way? And second, how do I actually check that the data we receive is the data we want? I mean, that works, I guess. Yeah, that makes sense. And I should return it. Good. Did I do a good? Okay, next, drop data. That's basically once we actually receive the data, right? So, in that case, we add a new card to card list, which we already have a template of how to do that in library card, I think. Or not library card, library. I get the feeling that Silic deleted that message indicates that it's wrong. Oh, you mean JavaScript? That's even worse. Just kidding. God, preload. So we need instead of that string we just put I need to yeah cut. I wanted to remove that just now. Data dot 1, which means now the ID is the card ID we. Okay. Hang on. That shouldn't be necessary, I think. Actually, how does it do that? How? I'm curious, how do you actually do that? How do... No, I'm genuinely curious now. How does it first... I'm not complaining, it works. Potentially, but shouldn't ready be called when preload? I mean... Huh. Now I'm curious. Okay, I wanted to know. That's all. That's all. Okay. Where was I? Library. We needed. We need a public variable e. Where does the e start? 0? The thing is, what I mean is, this isn't a for loop, so e isn't declared. But we need to know where in the card list we actually add the card. Oh, it's the method called add. Append. Fine by me. First we need to figure out if we add a card to the list, we first need to check if we have how many other cards of that we have in the list. Because we only have a limited amount of copies you can have in a card of a card in. Which we can test in a sec once we know this actually works, to be fair. So let's try that first. Can I now actually drag and drop? Wrong scene. Can I now actually drag and drop stuff? Thank you for the follow. Hi. Nope. Decided nope. Can do. Don't know why I do it there, but okay. Can do it there too. You are probably maybe before the return statement, because surprise, the return statement is the end of the method. Function, they're called functions. It doesn't print anything. Okay, back to the drawing board. Congratulations. So we know the deck list doesn't actually. That might actually be most filters in deck list. Probably that might be the. Is it actually the issue? That seems fine. Or should it be pass? Wait, no, not the children. The parent. We blind? Oh. I mean fair. I can undo that. Yeah. I don't actually think the problem is...
Oh no.
Exactly. Actually, I don't think it's the problem that decklist is stopping it, but rather the HBox container. Scratch that. Haha! The deck editor. Now we can try with the... Actually, pass. Pass will probably be better. Guys! It worked, temporarily. It kind of works. It is... That's 50% working. That's worth a try. On the... what was it? On the cards or on what exactly? Can do. Wrong scene. I should probably declare this the main scene at some point, or make a main scene. Notably, at the moment we don't have a limit of how many copies of a card you can have, but that's something for next stream or something. I think this is good already. We can, however, also add as many cards as we... I mean, it's a beginning. What do you mean library cards should implement it as well and reflect on further location? Well, yes, it is a game development, like a game design choice of how many cards can be in a deck, but I still need to physically implement it. We can think about it next time. I think for today we did good. I think for today we have achieved plenty. Still a lot that needs cleanup, but we did a good job. So yeah, I think we'll call it here. I mean, I have some ideas, and I'll probably talk about it more next stream. Like at the moment the idea is something like 40 cards and 3 cards max per card, and hero cards, like those cards with the little icon, can only be once in a deck. I have some other mechanical ideas, but I'll go over them as we get to them. Because at the moment we are still very much in a preparation phase, more or less. But yeah, this was fun. Yeah. I'm not sure what I should stream next. What I should stream Thursday. Thursday will probably be the last stream until the until the 17th of October, because at the 5th of October my retake exams start, and the last one is at the 14th, which is a Friday. I might already stream on the Saturday to, you know, get back to it, but I will probably take a break during that time, simply so I can focus on my exams. So again, next Thursday will probably be the last stream until after the 14th, whenever that next stream then is. So yeah. The thing is, I'm not sure if I should do more game dev or if I should do one game, like play a game, and especially what I should play. I don't know if I can do a poll, but I was thinking about getting that game, funnily enough. Yeah, I know. Dan actually got my attention to it. I find it kind of funny. I might get it, not sure. I don't know if I can make a poll, but the thing is, I'm not sure if I currently have enough on my the thing is, I have a long list of games, so I don't know if I would actually play that right now. But I definitely want to stream it if I get it, because it seems like a very fun game to stream. Again, just maybe not now. It would be funny. I'll definitely keep it in mind. But at the moment, I don't think I'll get it yet. But yeah, either I'll stream a randomizer run of SA2, which could be an option, or I might try versus chat, but I'm not sure. I kinda want to do that once we're back. Yes, or we could also stream Black Mesa. I got the game recently on sale because it was literally like 75% off. And I knew someone here in chat would be very excited about it. Someone. I wonder who. But yeah, I think that's also something for after the break, simply because it takes time. I don't think it's that long of a game like Half-Life 2 was, but I'm not sure. And either way, it will probably take several streams. Or one very long one. Both of which isn't good for first day. I might also just... a game I haven't played in a while. Another roguelike actually. FTL, Faster Than Light. I might maybe stream that as well. Its runs usually don't take that long if you are careful, but they are also very likely to fail, so expect a lot of exploding ships. But we have been discussing this for a long time now. If you want to... the thing is, if you want me to do game dev, you could say it now. Because if we all just decide game dev, then I don't need to think about a game. Otherwise, I'll think about something. Yeah. Yeah, if nobody says anything, I'll basically decide spontaneous. Probably like 5 minutes before stream, knowing me. But we'll figure something out. Either way, let's raid someone. I mean, worst case, I wouldn't mind doing more game dev. This is fun. It's chill, it's fun, and I think it's interesting to watch as well. Plus, we're making good progress, so... let's see... who can we raid? Let me think for a second. Yeah, let's raid Cake. In case you don't know Cake Jumper is an Irish variety streamer who also does food and baking streams on Fridays, and in general is just a very chaotic and nice person to be around, and also has a very nice community. Be nice, behave, and I'll see you another time. Raid message. Oh, Lego. Yeah, Cake is actually doing Lego right now. That's interesting. Raid message. Clever raid message. Is Let's Go too cheap? Raid messages. Okay, raid messages lag rate.